Since 1999, I've done over 2 million sit-ups and over 1 million push-ups. But I've kind of toned it down a little bit. So now I do 650 sit-ups and 200 push-ups 3 times, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And the other 4 days, I do 45 minutes of cardio on my tread climber and then another 150 push-ups. So that the 9 games or the 10 games or whatever we're bowling in the day is a non-event. I mean, physically, it's a non-event. Mentally, it's draining, but physically, it's a non-event. So, and it seems to me, you get the endorphins flowing a little bit when you show up. If I bowl afternoon in a day, then I'll work out in the morning. And so that when I get here, I'm relaxed, the endorphins been flowing, I feel like I'm in a good place, I'm in a good mindset to come out and compete. And I know I'm doing something that the other guys aren't, except maybe Amleto, but other than that, we're pretty good.
I see this as a sport, and like most of the people don't see it as a sport. And I feel like an athlete. I don't feel like just born. No, this is a sport. I like a lot of. First of all, stretching for me is number one. Stretching before and after workout. I used to run a lot more. I'm running about maybe 3 times a week, between 5 miles at least every time. But I'm changing a lot with. I do a lot of weights. So I have my weight days, and sometimes weight and cardio a little bit combined. No fried food, stay away from sugars, bad carbohydrates. So it's not like this. You just stay away from the bad stuff. I try not to put extra pressure. You still have the pressure. My focus, what I want to do is just get on the lane and be focused on what I need to do, relax, and try to perform, like throw the ball the way I want to do it. And if I can do that, I'm gonna do good.